Hello, my name is Jessica Paula Castro. I come to present my video. Shows foreign topping tax is related to the important you are studying and talk about in a video. The topic in shows is nutrition and sport. Without Joe shows and topic, it shows the topping because I like in lot because about like and people to be more about on nourishing themselves in a context and real way and that with a good diet and exercise we can have a healthy life. Hope is that topic important for your program? This topic is important in food engineering because since in this course important it goes together with nutrition. So we learn to know the food's origin from scratch, and two most important thing is that create them and to make them healthy as possible. What can you improve that topping? Is your college it will improve in creating net, healthy and less addictive products, and also implementing concepts about care of our body and self-care. What kind of innovation does this topic have? Create net products and mix of tasty and healthy flavors. Thank you.